think it's been clear for some time that the success of the UK fashion industry is demanding a better set of facilities. We know that the industry earns an enormous amount for London and the UK. It's a key part of Britain's modern contemporary culture, and it has been since the 1960s. The world recognises that. London would lose out if it failed to acknowledge that and to provide the kind of facilities that the industry needs. There has been talk in the property industry for many years really about providing that kind of facility, but the opportunity to locate a building of sufficient scale and flexibility in the right place has not really arisen. Core products that London possesses, education, medicine, finance, all of these kind of key offers that London has to the world. Fashion is definitely up there amongst one of them, yet it hasn't really got an identifiable place where it happens. The centre of gravity within London has for some time been shifting from the west to the east. The green shoots of regeneration are clearly there in the East End, and that's another aim of the 2012 Olympic Games. It would be possible for a fashion industry facility in the East End of London to really address some of the grassroots problem in the East End, which are very intractable. A facility like this would directly address those problems. You would be able to offer training to young people in an area they find sexy and interesting, they want to get involved. You could provide them with the skills that would be transferable elsewhere to other cities in the UK, other cities in Europe and other cities in the world. I suspect also the kind of training that you'd be able to offer here would encourage a new breed of entrepreneurs to set up in the fashion industry in London, which is exactly what the industry needs in order to grow, expand and change and capture what's going on in the world of fashion and turn it into economic product for the UK. A UK fashion hub like this would have enough critical mass to sustain a much broader range of economic activity, and it would of itself generate a much wider economic influence in the immediate area. In London, you've seen really the demise of the specialist wholesale shop because of the high value placed on retail in major locations. The space that's available in the media centre at the Olympic Games site offers the chance to recreate something that used to perhaps exist in the past in a high street retail format, but can be recreated here. First of all, in the 1980s, the creation of Canary Wharf extended the notion of what central London might be. Following on from Big Bang in the city, which encouraged financial services to recreate themselves and grow in a more free way, that created the need for somewhere like Canary Wharf where major, large, million square foot buildings could accommodate the new banking functions that were created. The arrival of the Jubilee line, the high-speed rail link, Docklands Light Railway, all going through Stratford Town Centre, that will put places like Stratford city centre much, much closer to the centre of London. The presence of really vibrant economic components is what's needed to replace the docks trade that's now left. And I see, we dug the docks out of the ground in order to capture global trade. If you take the example of Canary Wharf and the towers that now surround it, and something like the UK Fashion Hub, all we're doing is simply building the docks in reverse, if you like, turning them into buildings and trying to capture global trade. It's an idea, his time has come, the building is available, the location is just right, and we should go flat out to grab the opportunity.